Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P40 Lite, and today I will show you how you can activate the quick launch of the camera or just quick launch of the snapshot. So we have to go for the settings, then on the search pool we have to type the snapshot. Let's go for this feature, and then we can check two options. Let's pick the open the camera. As you can see, when we double press the volume down button on the lock screen, we are going to get the camera opened, and we can also take a snapshot, as you can see. So just check it out. And as you can see, the photo was taken. So it's very cool feature. And if you want to turn it off, you can also make it by choosing the off option. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.